Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 7 Best Commercial Refrigerators in 2023.
Top 1.
KoolMore RIR2DGD 54 2-glass door commercial reach-in refrigerator, cooler with LED lighting 47 cu foot, stainless steel. Reach-in refrigerator. This beautiful glass door commercial refrigerator will keep things cool and organized in your restaurant kitchen. Reach-in 2-door cooler for you to reach culinary success. Built to last, crafted of high-quality stainless steel, the 2-door glass front refrigerator looks great and is easy to clean. Glass doors and LED lighting make keeping track of inventory a breeze. Space-saving plus spacious. A spacious interior with 6 deep adjustable shelves for maximum storage is economically maximized not to crowd your kitchen. Cooler features: external digital temperature control and display, auto defrost, 4 casters that make it portable and easy to move, convenient bottom-mounted compressor.
Top 2.
KoolMore MDR2GD35C45 Commercial Glass 2-Door Display Refrigerator Merchandiser, upright beverage cooler with LED lighting, 35 CUFT, black. Space is cool. A spacious 38 cu foot inspires exciting display possibilities. 8 easily adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize your display as needed. Digital temperature display and controls make it convenient to monitor and adjust the temperature. Always keep your customers happy with ice-cold beers and drinks with a temp range of 32 to 50 Fahrenheit. LED light strips on each side will make your product shine bright. A light box with a customizable top canopy and tempered glass doors with hot air for anti-fogging will help your products stand out.
Top 3.
Arctic Air AR4954 2 Section 2 Solid Doors Reach-In Commercial Refrigerator, 49 cubic feet, 115V, stainless steel. Self-closing doors. The solid swing doors are self-closing, preventing them from leaking cool air and spoiling food. They also have a stay open feature that activates at 90 degrees. 6 adjustable shelves. The interior of this refrigerator features a white aluminum liner and 6 adjustable, epoxy-coated shelves to store all of your foods and ingredients. Easy cleaning. Coved corners on the floor allow easy cleaning, and it also comes with a condensate pan and built-in heating element to evaporate excess water. Refrigerant. A bottom-mounted 1/2 HP compressor and self-contained capillary tube system using R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant ensure outstanding temperature preservation and efficient operation. Casters. For easy maintenance, the unit comes with 6 casters, 2 lockable.
Top 4.
Arctic Air AWR25 White Single Solid Door Reach-In Commercial Refrigerator, 25 cu foot capacity, 115V. Spacious interior. This unit comes standard with 3 adjustable, heavy-duty epoxy-coated wire shelves so that you reconfigure the storage space to best hold all of your cold foods. Inside, this unit provides 25 cu foot of flexible storage space. Intuitive temperature control. This unit is equipped with an electronic thermostat and external digital LED display so that you can easily read the current temperature and adjust it if necessary. The Arctic Air AWR25 maintains temperatures between 33–41 degrees Fahrenheit. Smart design. It includes a bottom-mounted, 1,4 HP compressor that allows for ergonomic use, as it elevates the storage compartment to reduce the need to bend and lift heavy items. 4 locking casters make it easy to position anywhere in your kitchen or cafe.
Top 5.
Kratos Refrigeration 69K773 Commercial 2-Door Reach-In Refrigerator, 49 CUFT, 54 wide. The Kratos 69K773 Reach-In Refrigerator is made to last for years. This solid door reach-in refrigerator has a bottom-mounted compressor, which is ideal for hot kitchens, as the colder air near the floor is taken in rather than hot air. The Kratos 69K773 includes 2 self-closing doors, which have an open door alert that beeps after 3 minutes. This commercial reach-in has an integral condensate evaporator for plug-and-play compatibility. Casters and automatic defrost come standard. Durable stainless steel exterior with easy-to-clean aluminum interior. Digital temperature control maintains optimum storage temperature.
Top 6.
KoolMore 29 Stainless Steel Solid Door Commercial Reach-In Refrigerator. Reach-In refrigerator. This beautiful one-door commercial refrigerator will keep things cool and organized in your kitchen, cafe, or bakery. A reach-in cooler that enables you to reach culinary success. Sleek, shiny, easy to clean, crafted of high-quality stainless steel, the KoolMore single-door commercial cooler looks great and is easy to clean. Top-level craftsmanship makes this a durable unit. Space-saving plus spacious. A spacious interior for maximum storage is maximized economically, not to crowd your kitchen space. The 4 pre-installed casters and brakes make it portable and easy to move. Cooler features plus cool dimensions: 3 deep adjustable shelves, recessed handle, external digital temperature display and control. Top 7. KITMA 54 Reach-In Commercial Refrigerators 2-Door Commercial Refrigerator, Upright Cooler for Restaurant, 49 CU.FT Stainless Steel. Quality warranty. KITMA refrigeration equipment is warranted for 2 years parts and labors 5 years compressor. If there is any problem with your commercial refrigerators, just feel free to contact us. We provide 24 hours, 7 days customer service. Eco-friendly refrigerant. This commercial refrigerator is programmed to maintain a temperature of 33-38 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that all food products are held in a proper, food-safe environment to preserve their quality and integrity. To help achieve this, the robust, bottom-mounted 1/5 HP compressor uses eco-friendly R290 refrigerant.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.